Hey guys, welcome back. This is October oil pastels like Diwali special hanging lamps. My background is with a lot of different light colors. Even I'm going to have a bouquet, bouquet background. That means we will have lot of lights from the background. In the foreground, we can see the lamps hanging. It's like the lamps are hanging from the tree branches. I hope you love this. If you like my work, don't forget to subscribe and support my channel. All my bouquets are going to be in different colors. The colors whatever I have chosen for today, the same colors I'm using at the background also. I have hanging stars. When October comes, the autumn season starts. October, November, December, all these months are so beautiful because of the weather. It's winter and the weather is during day it's warm. As it gets evening, it's very cold. And I love to paint. I love this season. I love this Diwali festival. And so I plan to have beautiful pictures on my channel. I hope you enjoy. I hope you like this. And don't forget to give a thumbs up. My background is with all these different colors. I have the touch of green, the green which is in the background, like far distance. And all these small lamps have even the small lights. The string has small lights. Now I'll start with these lamps. I have a plan, like I need a blue and a pink and with a light touch, and blue and emerald, and even the primary red and the orange. I'm using different colors for the different lamps here. This glass, the light which pass through this glass, and it has effects of lights on it. I'm trying to do leaving little white gaps, and my lamps are so small to work on it. I love this emerald green. That's a beautiful color actually. So I completed this first lamp with the pink and little violet, and the second lamp is with blue and the orange. It has color and it has little gaps, so where I left this to show the lights effects of light. And this holder is in black color. It has a tight holder. And the third lamp is going to be with blue and emerald. So these are the combinations I wanted my lamps to be. Please do subscribe and support. And don't forget to press the bell icon so that you will get the notification whenever I post a new video. I'm using sap green, black to create this impression of leaves and the branches. So I'm covering up even the little areas of the background, leaving little bouquets here and there to get this reflection. If you like this video, please give a thumbs up and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll meet you on another video with an October special oil pastel drawing. Until then, take care. Bye bye.